Alright, this is the matter of attention today, this circle. I purchased these deletes for around 15 bucks, and they should just go right over the reverse light, making it red, which should in return make this look a bit better. I'm not too hot about the clear circles that it currently has. I think the whole red look good. So I'm gonna try and install these like an idiot and just paste them on. I should be able to get it pretty easily. I'm just gonna wipe down the taillights and go for it. No squeegees, no nothing. I know it's kind of retarded, but I can do it. Also, this pollen, car is dirty. Still don't have my rims on. Don't judge me. All right. All right, so I'm just gonna put this aside, put the camera aside while I do this, as I want to have both hands available. All right, so I got the first one on. That's what it looks like. Obviously completely red. These shapes weren't exactly perfect. They go over a bit on the edges and it doesn't line up completely. There's a little bit of clear right in the corner, but from far back you can't really tell a difference, but it definitely looks a lot better than it did, the whole red. So I'm gonna do the next one, and yeah, it's completely done. They're not perfect. It could definitely be better, but for like 15, 18 bucks, it's gonna do the job for at least a little bit. But yeah, definitely looks a lot better. I like the look of just the red instead of the red with the white circles. Just looks more like Japanese, I guess, or looks a bit more aggressive, which I like. And I will be installing my Sparkos in the near future. Just clean them up a bit and gonna start doing some interior stuff, and then I have a few parts coming in the next few days, which should really bring up this car. But yeah, booty looking mint right now. Definitely a lot better than it was. And for like 18 bucks, I think this really gives a nice look for the 02 to 03 pre-facelift EP3s. So yeah, I will link this product down below if you guys are interested. It's not a perfect cut, but it does cover it, and overall it does look pretty good. There's some, obviously it doesn't fully cover everything, just it could be me, but overall it does look pretty good in my opinion. So yeah, I'll link that below in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.